For that. Kathy, you don't remember me? You have to be a fake. I can't believe you don't remember me. These are made for my teeth.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Brent, you got a nickname for her? Miss
Hetty.
Wait, this is Brent's interview.
Oh, sorry.
Miss Go to Danny, Joe Schweddy.
Okay, what's the next question?
Remember,
Okay,
I got
next question.
my sweaty balls.
During the whole match.
Hey, this is supposed to be a family video.
Okay, we'll have to edit that out. What was the song during high school that reminds you of high school now when you hear it?
Now?
When you hear it now, what's your most favorite song during high school?
You don't hear it anymore.
You want me to write this down?
No, you didn't ask me the questions first.
All right.
Yeah, we should.
What was your most favorite song during high school?
Blue Balls.
Blue Balls.
ACDC. Was it?
It was in high school.
Big
it
balls,
was
buddy.
blue balls
Okay,
in
I know.
high school.
The same thing.
Your wife's losing it.
Your wife's still here.
That's okay.
Okay, go
I've got
ahead.
blue balls.
Ask the question again, please.
Okay.
What song? Wait, I'm not ready. Probably Chance.
Chauncey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was
Why?
out, he was
Why?
out to get us.
He wouldn't give me an A for doing nothing.
So what was your favorite song during high school?
You asked me a couple minutes ago, I don't remember.
But you didn't answer
Hey,
it.
stop.
My favorite song is Blue Balls by Brett Coon.
Favorite teacher? Okay. Favorite teacher, worst teacher.
Right.
Yeah, I'm like the one who got to figure that all out.
Last one is going to be, can you remember everything fun about high school?
Oh, okay.
Okay, go.
Funny thing about high school, Donnie riding in the back of that pickup truck, slammed the brakes on that pickup truck, right over the top. Slid, bounced 3-4 times, no scars.
He never gets any. And why?
Well, I don't know. I liked Ernie pretty good. Ernie Cotting. He was fun.
Was he fun?
Yeah.
Now, who did you like the least and why?
Can't say that.
Okay, here.
Falling from a tree. Breaking branches on the way down.
Where was that at?
Wow, I think we were going to Broad Acres then.
Was there alcohol involved?
A lot.
Video for our 30th reunion.
Yeah,
We're putting a whole montage of.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I don't know the names of songs, Greg.
You just sing it then.
She'll go last.
Okay, and best teacher, worst teacher.
And what's the thing about high school that you remember as one of the best times that you ever had? Other than sexual things. Don't stop believing.
I don't know.
Okay. Who was your most favorite teacher and why?
Probably Mr. McCrae because he liked me a lot.
He made
He
me
was
cry.
cute. Connie was my least favorite teacher because I thought he was a male chauvinist pig.
Yes, he was.
Was he? I thought everybody else said he was great.
He was looking for fouling things and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
everything was a homosexual reference
Right.
or something. But he was a good drama teacher, so I have to give him that. Very creative, but
Not
yeah.
it's what you thought about,
Yeah,
so not who you
I immediately went there. I'm
Well, one
sorry.
of the things that I remember was always going to church on Sunday after we had done donuts in the church parking lot, and Father Morgan always, his sermon would be something about how these damn high school kids are out here doing donuts in the church parking lot. They're terrible. What do kids come to today? And there's John up on the altar being a little altar boy, and Brent and Dave, and